Tired of rocking the default skin? Let's unlock those sweet Fortnite cosmetics using your Google Play gift card. First, scratch off the back of your Google Play gift card to reveal the code. Make sure you do this gently so you don't damage the numbers. Now, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. This is important, as you can only redeem Google Play credit on Android. Tap on the menu icon €, it's usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then, select Redeem from the menu options. Carefully enter the gift card code you revealed earlier. Double-check that you've typed it correctly, and then tap Redeem. A confirmation screen will appear showing your Google Play balance has been updated. This is your Vbucks war chest. Next, open Fortnite on your Android device. Head to the Vbucks purchase section in the item shop or battle pass menu. Choose the Vbucks package you want. You should see your Google Play balance as the payment method. Tap to confirm the purchase, and you're done. Now, go rock that new skin and show off your victory royale.